Boas tardes a todos e a todas. Presentamos hoxe aquí unha adaptación do lexendario musical Cats, inspirado na obra do director Andrew Lloyd Webber. Atopámonos nunha chatarraría enorme. Nela, un grupo de gatos especiais, coñecidos como os gatos Jellicle, pasan as horas. A característica principal dos gatos Jellicle consiste en que eles poden ter a oportunidade de renacer. E esa é a razón pola que se reúnen na chatarraría a noite da festa Jellicle anual, onde o vello Deuteronomio, interpretado por Rubén Villar, o gato Jellicle maior, adorado e respectado por todos, anuncia ao felino que volverá a nacer. E así, preséntanse nosos gatos que compiten por un lugar no ceo Jellicle. Monconstruct, representado por Mateo Cousillas, é o gato guía que narra, protexe e conduce a tribo. Jenny Annie Dodds, Paula Lema, é a bella gata Gambi que, aínda que é moi pasiva e durme durante todo o día, cobra vida pola noite bailando e ensinando a bailar ás pulgas e ás cascudas. Brompton Tiger, Anxo González, é un gato ligón e traveso. Mr. Mistopheles, Mariña Suárez, representa un gato máxico que ten poderes, e Bastard Jones, interpretado por Tino Cibes, un gato sofisticado de cidade, que a diferencia de Grisabela, Lucía Rey, é querido e admirado por todos os gatos. Grisabela, antano unha gata glamurosa, é agora desprezada e marxinada polo resto dos felinos da tribo. Tamén temos ao dúo composto por Mongo Jerry, Carla López e Rumpelteazer, María Senra, un par de ladróns rápidos e inquedos. E está Victoria, Ángela Stalote, unha gatiña pequena, fermosa e delicada, cun gran talento para a danza. Non podemos esquecer a Demeter e a bombalurina, Carme Suárez, dúas gatas de cor laranxa moi sensuais.
Are you blaming the war?
Can you see in the dark?
There you look, it's a kill.
Will you see it on his wrong?
Can you say out your bite? That is one on your bark. Are you cock of the war? When you're walking alone?
Because Jellicles are Angelicus do, Jellicles do, Angelicus would, Jellicles would, Angelicus can, Angelicus do.
When you fall on your head, do you land on your feet?
Are you touched when your sense to their sun the air? Can you find you can ride? You're lost in the streets.
Because Jellicles can, Angelicus do, Jellicles do, Angelicus can, Jellicles can, Angelicus do, Jellicles do, Angelicus can, Jellicus can, Angelicus do.
Can you ride on a broomstick to play Jellicle cats come out tonight. Jellicle cats come one, come all. The Jellicle moon is shining bright. Jellicles come to the Jellicle ball. Jellicle cats come out tonight. Jellicles come to the Jellicle ball.
Jellicle cats meet once every year at the Jellicle ball, wearing all rejoice. At the Jellicle leader will soon appear, and may what the snow as the Jellicle choice. When all Deuteronomy just before dawn, through a silence you feel, you could cut with a knife, and now says the cat, who can now be reborn and come back to a different Jellicle life. For waiting up theirs is heavy silent year, for wonders one Jellicles only will see, and Jellicle ask, because Jellicle's there. Who will it be? Who will it be? Agatagan viva vivir, o seu nome é Jenny Eridots, a sua pelaxe de tigre é, com raias longas e manchas claras, na escaleira sentada está, ali no balcão ou no salão, sentada está, a nossa gatinha Gambi está. Eso é o que fai Gambi cat.
Mas cuando oscurece y se mete el sol, para ella empezó su dura labor. Y cuando en la casa se van a dormir, meneando su cola al sótano va. Se pone a enseñar a cualquier ratón, su porte no es bueno, sus modales no. Y mientras les dicen cómo hay que portarse, enseña a ver canto, bordado y baile.
A gata Gambi vai vir, o seu doble Jenny Eridots, outra igual difícil de encontrar, gustar o calor e os cordóns, sentada na lareira está, na cama ou riba do sofá, sentada está, a nossa gatinha Gambi está. Eso é o que fai Gambi cat.
Mas cuando oscurece y se mete el sol, para ella empezó su dura labor. Y quiere hacer de las cucarachas unas damas muy útiles y vivarachas. Cuando están entrenadas las manda a viajar a casas, escuelas, a todo lugar, donde hagan labor, donde hagan el bien, y preparan un circo de pulgas también.
I'd rather have grouse. If you put me in a house, I would much prefer a flat. If you put me in a flat, then I'd rather have a house. If you set me on a mouse, then I only want a rat. If you set me on a rat, then I'm rather she's a mouse. And there isn't any need for me to shout it. And there's no doing anything about it.
The rum-tum-tugger is a terrible boy.
When you let me in, then I wanna go out. See, I'm always on the wrong side of every door. As soon as I get home, then I like to get out. I like to lie in the bureau drawer, but I make such a fuss if I can't get out. And there isn't any use for you to doubt it. And there's no doing anything about it.
Tum-tum-tugger is a curious beast.
My civilized ways are a matter of habit. If you offer me fish, then I always want to feast. When there isn't any fish, then I won't eat a rabbit. If you offer me cream, then I sniff and sneer. I only like what I find for myself. See, you catch me in it right up to my ears, and you put it away on all the shelf. Doesn't care for a cuddle, 'cause I leave in the last in the middle of the story. There's nothing I enjoy like a horrible muddle. Isn't any use for you to spout it. There's no doing anything about it. come one, come all.
The Jellicle moon is shining bright. Jellicles come to the Jellicle ball. Jellicle cats are black and white. Jellicle cats are rather small. Jellicle cats are merry and bright and pleasant to hear when we caterwaul. Jellicle cats have cheerful faces. Jellicle cats have bright black eyes. We like to practice our airs and graces and wait for the Jellicle moon to rise. Jellicle cats develop slowly.
Jellicle cats are not twinkly.
Jellicle cats are roly-poly. We know how to dance and got what energy until the Jellicle moon appears. We make our toilets and take our repose. Jellicles wash behind the ears. Jellicles lie between their toes. Jellicle cats are white and bright. Jellicle cats are moderate size. Jellicles strike like a jumping jack. Jellicle cats have moonlit eyes. We're quiet enough in the morning hours. We're quiet enough in the afternoon. Reserving others
Lukanyule Asligan.
Neste segundo acto, o vello Deuteronomio, rodeado polos gatos Jellicle, anuncia que entre todos escollerá ao gato da tribu que é merecedor de ascender ao ceo Jellicle, e todos xuntos preparan o baile Jellicle. Mentres tanto, Skimbleshanks, Gabriel Golles, atrae ao resto dos gatos coa súa vida diaria na estación de ferrocarril, cando un malvado e misterioso gato chamado Macavity, interpretado por Alex Lema, aparece. Enfadado por non ser invitado pola tribu, Macavity manda lonxe ao vello Deuteronomio, que é secuestrado polos seus compinches Mongo Jerry e Rumpelteazer, para que non poda decidir quen será o elixido. Todos os gatos, preocupados, buscan e buscan ao xefe da tribu sen moito éxito, que permanece escondido polo malvado Macavity. Despois de loitar contra el, e vendo o poderoso que é, Rumpton Tugger suxire chamar a Mr. Mistopheles, o único gato con poderes máxicos, para que traia de volta ao seu adorado Gran Deuteronomio. Mr. Mistopheles aparece cos seus suaves movementos e trucos e trae de volta ao gato Jellicle maior. Por terceira vez, Grisabella volve á chatarraría, cansada e triste. Expresa por medio da música que ela tamén merece renacer e volver a ser a gata que antano fora. O vello Deuteronomio escoita e decide que o merece máis que ninguén e todos os gatos Jellicle finalmente mostran respeto a Grisabella mentras esta ascende ao ceo. A festa Jellicle remata e todos os gatos e gatas marchan cara aos seus fogares esperando a seguinte ocasión de seren os afortunados en ascender ao ceo Jellicle.
In a different form, beyond any meaning we can assign to happiness. The past experience revived in the meaning is not the experience of one life only, but probably quite ineffable.
Moonlight, turn your face to the moonlight. Let your memory lead you. Open up and read. If you find there the meaning of what happiness is, then a new life will begin.
Skimble shake.
All the guards and all the porters in the station's master starters would be searching high and low, saying, Skimble, where is Skimble? Poor Lucy's very nimble, for the night mail just can't go. At 11:42, with the signal overdue, and the passengers all frantic to a man, that's when I would appear, and I'd saunter to the rear. I've been busy in the luggage van.
Then he gave one flash of his last green eye, and the signal went all clear.
They'd be off at last for the northern part of the northern hemisphere.
Skimble shakes all railway cats, the cats of the railway train.
Say by and large it was me who was in charge of the sleeping car express. From the driver to the guard to the bagman playing cards, I would supervise them all more or less.
Down the corridor he paces and examines all the faces of the travelers in the first and the third. He establishes control by a regular patrol, and you know at once if anything occurred. He would watch you without blinking, and he saw what you were thinking, and it's certain that he did approve of hilarity and riot. So the folks were very quiet when Skimble was about it on the move. You could play the pranks with Skimble shakes. He's a cat that cannot be ignored. So nothing went wrong on the Northern Mail when Skimble shakes was aboard.
It was very pleasant when they found their little den with the name written up on the door. And the first was neatly folded sheets, and not a speck of dust on the floor. There was every sort of light, you could make it dark or bright, and a button you could turn to make a free. And a funny little basin, you're supposed to wash your face in, and a crane to shut the window should you sneeze. Then the guard walks in politely, and would ask you very brightly, do you like your morning tea? We But I was right behind him, and ready to remind him, for Skimble won't let anything go wrong. Then they crept into their cozy berths and pulled up the counterpane. They would all reflect it was very nice to know that they wouldn't be bothered by mice. They could leave all that to the railway cat, the cat on the railway train. Skimble takes the railway cat, the cat on the railway train. Skimble takes the railway cat, the cat on the railway train. In the watches of the night, I was always fresh and bright. Every now and then I'd have a cup of tea, with perhaps a drop of scotch, while I was busy keeping watch, only stopping here and there to catch a flea. They were fast asleep, the crew, and so they never knew that I was walking up and down the station. They were sleeping all the while I was busy at Carlisle, where I met the station's master with the elation. They might see me at the breeze if I should summon the police, if there was anything they'd ought to know about. When they got to Gallowgate, and they did not have to wait for Skimble Shakes would help them to get out.
McCafferty's a mystery cat. He's called the Hidden Paw, for he's the master criminal who can defy the law. He's the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCafferty's not there. McCafferty, there's no one like McCafferty. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCafferty's not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCafferty's not there. McCafferty's a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake! McCafferty, McCafferty, there's no one like McCafferty, for he's a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by-street, you may see him in the square. Discovered, then McCafferty's not there. He's outwardly respectable. I know he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in air. of Scotland Yards. And when the lot is looted, or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pig's been stifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken, and the trellis past repair, there's the wonder of the thing, McCavity's not there. McCavity, McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. Whatever time the deed took place, McCavity wasn't there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, I might mention Mungo Cherry, I might mention Griddlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls the operations. The Napoleon of crime! McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He's a feeding milkshake, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a bystreet, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then McCavity
parece hogar usado. Se o crían perdido, él vai a aparecer en Mr. Mistopheles. And we all say, oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magic for Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magic for Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magic for Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magic for Mr. Mistopheles. Sensible, suave, tranquilo, non existe ninguén tan fino. Sentíbas no tellado mentre estíabas dormindo, e nunca estará perdido. Escoitas o seu ñañar, miau, e todos gritamos oindo. Seguro que está probando os seus fabulosos poderes. A todos os gatos sorprende, buscámoslo por todas partes, él dormindo no sofá. Ainda onte foi fenomenal, sacou 7 gatos dentro dun costal. And we all say, oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magic for Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magic for Mr. Mistopheles. And we all say, oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh, well, I never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Now, all will corrupt. Just before dawn, through a silence you feel you could cut with a knife. And now is the cup who can now be born and go back to a different jellicle dance.
ti, fíxate ben. Un gato é fácil de tratar, mais, pola súa personalidade, prefire a formalidade. Sentil, mira o ben, e xa me dirás, xa me dirás.
Hola.